Imagine a world driven by sustainable energy and expert engineering leadership. At the American University of Ras Al Khaimah in the UAE, our engineering project management and sustainable energy programs are pioneering new standards in the field. In a world prioritizing technological evolution and environmental sustainability, particularly within the innovative context of Ras Al Khaimah, we prepare trailblazing engineers to drive change and lead with vision. This is where your role unfolds. Our programs equip you to manage complex engineering projects and harness renewable energy, training you to anticipate and lead energy paradigm shifts.
From project planning to renewable energy solutions, AURAK supports your professional growth with hands-on learning and strategic industry partnerships, ensuring you're ready to excel.
Join AURAK for a transformative education in engineering and sustainable energy, preparing you with global perspectives and ethical leadership for future challenges. Together, let's lead and innovate in sustainable engineering.